All right, we're going to look through good old-fashioned product hunt and just see what's out into the world of new products and give quick reactions and see how we feel about each one of these. So let's go ahead. It's kind of cute. Let's see what we got going on here. Start with this one. You will notice about it, and we'll see what it looks like. Too many files in too many places. All these files. What am I going to do with all these files? Stop wasting 20% of your work. That needs to be fact checked. How is anyone spending that much of their work week looking for files? I don't see that being accurate. Loved by folks at, are these just people who've signed up at some point? Like some employee email address? A little bit fishy. Oh no. So I hate this thing where web pages will just take control of your scroll and do nonsense with it. Absolutely bugs the heck out of me. What I'm looking for is, looking for a price. How secure? So SOC 2 Type 2 is where it actually comes through and does audits. SOC 2 Type 1 is purely self-reported. So that's not very secure, actually. And what the heck is an OAuth certification? That's not a thing. Like there's an OAuth standard and you can support it, but there's no such thing as being like OAuth certified for a service provider that I'm aware of. If I'm wrong, somebody let me know. But this sounds very hand-wavy. Maybe it's secure, but these certifications mean nothing. And I'm not sure what these companies have actually done for them. They've passed audits, which is cool and all, but there's no indication of what audits they passed, so that's not great. Cost, hey. Beta, so a year for free. Otherwise, $35 a year for as long as you use Searchable. Initial pricing will start at $120 a year. Kind of interesting. Cool. Nothing else down here. Let's go ahead and check out what's going on. I don't really want a demo. Is that just like an email form thing? Yeah, no one needs that. Is there a sign up link? Yeah, there is. Let's go ahead and be Mr. Witherbottom. Oh, the tab actually broke there. Yeah, where is that tab going to? I guess it's going to the eye. That's not good. All right. And I will be right back after confirming this link. All right, we are back. And I have gone ahead and confirmed my account. Looks like there's only these three options in the beta version. And all the other ones shown on their homepage are coming soon. So that's going to be a little bit interesting. I guess I will go ahead and pair up my Dropbox here and see how that goes. This seems fairly limited, though, if most of those business cases of like Slack and all the fun things don't work yet. That could be quite troublesome. All right, I need to prove that I'm a real boy. Pick the spiral gal. Well, obviously, it's this one. Oh no. Oh no. What have we done? But I have authentication anyway. So what was the point? I don't understand the other stuff. So this doesn't look all that exciting. Honestly, it doesn't look much different than what Neeva is offering to do. They're doing their own ad-free private search engine. And one of the features of Neeva is... Aha. Yeah. They search email, docs. I think they even support Dropbox and such as well. So what Searchable.ai is doing is nothing new. The .ai seems purely to be part of like the gimmick of the system. And I don't really see this as being particularly... Ooh, is Slack a thing? Why didn't it say it was before? That is interesting. So there are other apps here that are just hidden away. So this could still be interesting. All right, let's go ahead and look at the second piece of this. Yeah, let's go ahead and choose one of these analytics tools. This one sounds Pirsch Analytics, something like that. It says open source and cookie free. So let's see what this looks like. All right. Co-founder has some stuff to share. Let's go ahead and put that GitHub link in a new tab. They seem pretty proud of their revenue they're generating. So let's see what this costs. Simple, privacy-friendly open source alternative to Google. Fun things all around. Very pretty dashboard, lots of black, lots of bars going up and to the right, even when the bounce rate is bad. This looks pretty cool. This reminds me of some other tools I've seen. No cookie banner. Okay. Fit for WordPress. What does that mean? What are they saying? It's different from this to Google. Faster page load. Well, whatever. Okay, so this is money. 10,000 page uses $4. Let's go way up here. Okay. So it's like $99 for 10 million. That's not terrible. Yeah, let's look at this. So the randomization is a fingerprint of IP address, current date, and more. The and more is a little bit concerning. I'm also confused because like anonymized and fingerprinting, like those that seem not compatible. Data stored in Germany. You can export the data to get with you, which in Germany you have to by law anyway, so no big whoop there. They turn off your account after 5 days of being over limit. Pay up my credit card. Cool. This looks kind of interesting overall, but it reminds me of Memento. I don't know how to spell it. Let's see if DuckDuckGo can help us out here. Not Magento, absolutely not. There it is. Matomo, there we go. So this is also an open source kind of tool. I think it's PHP. And it's quite mature. It's been around for a number of years. It used to be called PWiki or PyWiki, I believe. They have a lot of the same kind of upsides. There's no cookies needed. You can kind of control your own data. You can import your Google Analytics data. If we go ahead here and look at this, it's like open source. They got all the free stuff going on. It's a pretty active community as well. And it does also have a WordPress plugin. And if you look at the pricing on this one, you get a sense of like, yeah, all that stuff is free because you're hosting it yourself. And then there's some like fancier server-side stuff that they'll do for you. So if I were having to pick between Pirsch and this one, I would probably pick this one just because it's so much more mature. What is the language that Pirsch has written in, I wonder? Let's go look at Pirsch. What is their language of choice here? Go. It is Go. I'm not sure what the database is, but it's definitely a bit more modern on the plus side there. Maybe a little bit harder to run in some instances. I'm not seeing, maybe I'm missing it here, but not seeing what their database backend is. But it's open source. You could totally run this yourself, which they're kind of hiding from you on their website, which is unfortunate. But if you want to try it, you can. I think we'll leave it there.